This is the picture you will get, which you need to print it out. Make sure the picture size is similar to the canvas size you have taken. As you can see, I am marking both sides of the canvas so that I will get the idea how much the painting I should need. Now as we marked, we are now proceeding to the main tracing part. Now with a sharp scissor, I am cutting the markings according to the canvas board. Be careful while using the sharp scissor. As I already told before, make sure the size of the painting is matched exactly as the canvas size. As we have finished drawing, now we will set the picture in the canvas and see whether it is matching it or not. Now I have taken a yellow carbon paper for the tracing purpose. You can use any other colors, but the yellow color gives a soothing look and would not destroy your drawings. I will not cut the carbon paper, but if you want, you can cut it according to the canvas size. Let's have a look how the canvas will look. Now we will keep this aside and with a scale and a pencil mark out the center point of the canvas. We can easily find the center point of a canvas if you join the corners of opposite side. So let's join it and find the center. Now in the same way we will find the center point of the drawing. After finding both of the center points, it's time to align them. With the help of a sharp pencil, I am aligning both of the center points of the drawing and the canvas. See how I am matching the center points. Please do this step with extra care, as you can easily do a mistake. Now I am adding sellotape in the top side of the painting. Follow carefully how I am doing the sellotape. Now we will turn the page and insert the carbon paper in between both of them. Keep in mind, we don't need any sellotape for the carbon paper. Try to adjust the position slowly. Don't rush while doing this. Now I am attaching one more sellotape to the other side. You can also use masking tape in the place of sellotape here. Now for this case I am not attaching any sellotape in the bottom part, but for beginner I will highly suggest to add sellotape at the four sides of the painting. Now with a sharp mechanical pencil I am outlining the drawing. So first we will start with the border. I am just making a border. My mechanical pencil ran out, so I am using a normal pencil. It's completely up to you. Now making one side of border, I am just checking whether it is doing properly or not. After I check, then we will start doing the other one. So in the first step, first we will do the border. All the borderings we will do. Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art. For the center circle, I am using a compass. You can do it freehand, but I would like to do it with compass so that I can get a clean result. Our tracing is almost done. As you can see how beautiful the yellow color is looking like. Now we will do the only border part because we will remove the carbon paper and draw directly the flower design onto the canvas. So making the separation, after that I will remove that. I will come back again. So now I will do some correction by some proofreading, and after that we will ready to draw our design. You can draw the whole design on the canvas by tracing method that the PDF I have sent, but I will like to draw it on the canvas directly, so I am doing it. You can do any ways you possible. This is the design that I will draw today. You can do it again tracing method, also you can do it directly. So I will now just do it directly onto the canvas. So let's have a look. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings, we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code. And after that, click on Enroll Now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.
Now only the center part of the design is remaining. I will come back after it is done. In the meantime, if you have any question, don't forget to ask me in the comment section and also in the project section so that I can clear out your doubts. With that being said, let's now look how I draw the design in the inner circle. With that, our drawing on the canvas is completely done. You can see how beautiful it is looking. I will see you in the next session. Bye bye.